Hello everybody, welcome to my channel today. My name is Susan and I am filming this video from Abuja, Nigeria. Today in this video, we're going to be making homemade pizza. Homemade pizza. Imperfect homemade pizza. Imperfect but perfect for me and my family. Basically, we're going to be using homemade ingredients. For the dough, I'm going to be using all-purpose flour, yeast, and some salt. After spreading the dough on a sheet, then we're going to be adding our pizza sauce, some cheese, some fresh tomatoes, and some chicken. Okay, I'm going to start babbling right now. So, let's get cooking. So this is me adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a food processor, a pinch of salt, and then I close the food processor and pause gradually while adding water, so vegetable oil and yeast that I had soaked in warm water 10 minutes prior to doing this. So this is the consistency I have achieved. Meanwhile, you can use a mixer for this process, or you can use your bare hands and a bowl, whichever suits you. It's fine. So this is me using my hand to complete this process by mixing the dough with my bare hand and adding a little bit of flour as I go, so the dough wouldn't be too sticky. So here I have flattened the dough on a pan. Then I'm going to pour some vegetable oil on the dough and use my fork to poke some holes into the dough. This process is very important because my dough is thick. You can skip this process if your dough is very flat and thin, but my dough is very thick, and you don't want raw dough when you are done baking your pizza. Your pizza is looking all good on the outside, but the dough is raw. We don't want that. So that is why this process is very important. So after doing this, I'm going to bake this dough for 5 minutes. Bake the dough for 5 minutes, then bring it out of the oven before adding the other ingredients to it. So this is me just poking the holes gradually. You want to do this everywhere because you want the oil to go in and sit in the dough. So this process is very important. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is me baking the dough. Now it's done, and this is me trying unsuccessfully to evenly spread my pizza sauce on the dough. I have another video where I showed you guys how to make pizza sauce. You don't have to go buying canned pizza sauce from the store. You can achieve this easily with homemade ingredients. Yes, you can achieve this very easily, so you don't have to go and buy pizza sauce from the store. So this is me evenly trying to distribute the pizza sauce across the dough. Then now I'm done with that, I'm going to be adding cheese. This is just regular cheese I got from the store. Regular cheese. I'm going to be adding it evenly on the dough. Then I'm going to be adding fresh tomatoes. Yes, fresh tomatoes. I didn't use pepperoni for my pizza because, like I said, imperfect homemade pizza. Imperfect homemade pizza. So this is me trying to evenly distribute my grated cheese all over the top of the sauce, and this is me adding some thinly diced chicken. This chicken is chicken that I grilled in the home here. I grilled it and I evenly diced it and placed it on my pizza. So this is me adding the fresh tomatoes on my pizza. It looks good, it tastes good. So when I'm done with this process, I'm going to bake for 15 minutes, and here we are. Some more cheese. Cheese is never enough. You can never get enough of cheese. It's a secret ingredient. So it is me adding more cheese on everything. Then 15 minutes is okay to bake. Once you're done baking, your pizza is ready. Very easy. You see, very easy. Homemade, very easy.
So now I have baked it, and this is the final result. It looks imperfect, but it tastes really, really great. I promise. It tastes really, really great. So